Agago.
It is okay.
Vice Chairperson, Northern Uganda. And the people of Agago. And ask for the support. For the achievements of the NRM and the plans of the NRM. The NRM has been active for the politics of Uganda, for the last 65 years. The manifesto which they are going to bring to your villages will identify 7 points. Contributions in the last 40 years by the NRM to Uganda. The first contribution has been peace. As the other speakers said before me. You, the people of Agago, are some of the witnesses about the lack of peace, what it means. These areas come from rebels and cattle rustlers. The last time I came here was in Agago, which is not far from here. And we discussed the cattle rustling problem. What I discovered was that the army had the capacity to control the cattle rustlers, but they were doing what we call in our language here, Bango One. They were Bango One, the rebels. They were Bango One, the rustlers. When you want to eat food, you must make sure that food you have got a sauce. And has got some water. So to wash down the food. Otherwise, even if we can go through problem, we live with food. So these soldiers were upholding these people. They were tiring your soldiers by making them walk on foot. Just following the foot without using the whole capacity of the army. I even heard there are still some few cases near the border there, but all these I will have to find out where they are finished completely. Because we have the capacity to finish all this. And that time we were in Agago. say as many even. They're staying in the bush. So, we are able to bring peace because we built up a strong army and a strong political party. All of you have contributed to peace. Because you bring information about the troublemakers. So therefore, by NRM believing in the practice of unity, not believing in the practice of sectarianism, we are able to unite the people politically, but also build a strong national institutions such as the army.
What's best? That's what Jesus told us. We shall know them by their fruits. So that philosophy of non-sectarianism, of unity, has enabled us to build a strong party, national, but also strong security institutions like the army, the police, the prisons, and so on, and also other institutions like the civil service and the judiciary.
both Chilepo National Park and Karela Community Wildlife Area. Because of the direct to video license here, we are going to do 100 kilometers of that fence starting from Karela. And we've started work, Your Excellency. And we will also cover this area.
Already started.
Yes, we started for Karela, sir.
So,
Your Excellency, Minister Maneno Minister Matili, everyone me, we are going to go over the defense in government here in the Okuya. Chikiendo, you become president, you become now we are here. We are money here, open here, and you down and you get out of friends in the inside the arena. If you get what you can when you get to your down.
So, the way of the to answer, the electricity shocks the elephants and the Agago. I'm worried there was a little answer. There is, and I've started. And where the electricity fence has been put, the elephants don't go. Not only here, but also in Elizabeth and other areas. So therefore, the MNM has capacity to ensure peace, meaning no war, but also no insecurity. I've seen in the brief here, I went to big brief here, area by area. I've seen that you still have what they call protected grounds here. I didn't know that you had those grounds because I had guided I don't mind only about I don't have protected grounds. We had protected cows for people with cows. Because people are people that they can say they can bring food and eat there. But they can't go to school, so if you have protected grounds, where would they graze? If they are too many, the grass would be very That protected grounds was introduced by all of the commanders because they had happened in Northern Uganda, and then you can be protected cows from the cows. Cows must be protected separately. I will discuss with the commander. Because the cattle thieves are actually easy to deal with. They are not like stealing gold, which you can put in your pocket. The cows are easy for them. What you need is quick alarm from the crowd. To the command center. For the UAV to come. There's been theft of cows in Baton. Then the UAV comes. And even at night, you will follow them. And then you can follow them and hit them, either by armed. Then somebody tells, you know this controversial alarm clever. When they see cows, they put them in their vehicle. The vehicle fly. Once it is easy, if you put them in the vehicle, then I control the roads. And it is true the cows have been stolen here. But I think taken to Talema. So I will discuss with the commanders and help them to sort out this. This is a very major problem. So the army has already stopped the war. There will be no war in Uganda. I saw something in the paper today that some of the political groups said they will start a war. Such a war, you will go to Gehenna. You will not go to heaven, you will go to Gehenna. So, there is push here in Uganda now.
Peace in Uganda.
The second achievement of the NRM.
You can
see this one. This is a small one for photographs here. But the bigger ones. They can fly by day, by night. They are flown by people on the ground. They are not controlled from Akasongola. They go all the way to Congo and come back. I can sit in Akasongola and see what is happening in Congo. So when you say Katolosas, this is a joke, so serious. By day or by night you can get there. This one is small and just for taking photographs from above. Now, the second achievement of the NRM is long logo.
Development.
You speak it better than you know. Long logo has no two parts. There is economic infrastructure. Meaning the roads, the electricity, the railway, piped water, telephones, other advanced systems like internet. This is all part of economic infrastructure. So you people here in Agago can audit. You can audit the NRA in the infrastructure. What has the NRA done? I'm very happy to see that there is much here already. You don't know how I struggled to bring you much. I think they were Swedish. They were supposed to fund. First of all, the electricity here was stopping in Ria. So I have to bring the electricity from Ria further on. West Nile. Now, as I'm saying, we will go to Conakry. The Swedish was supposed to fund the transmission lines to Patongo, to Karongo, to Adman.
You want to be a child more material than
a cow which is not your mother's bride price. If they give you a hoof, you say thank you very much. So we say, look, if they don't want to do it, we shall do it ourselves. And this is where I want you to understand the importance of prioritization. That one, quality. The problem is when you try to do you. Yes, all of them are good. Please, that's not realistic. Even when they are walking, for me to go from here and there. I can't say because I want to go fast, I put both legs up. I will end up hitting my butt on the ground. So, we must one leg up, one leg down. One leg up, down, one leg up. That's what we walk. So, in 2006, I insisted that we must put more money on the roads and electricity. Because you know, we are bush people and not bushmen. And we are very good at the quality, we know how to do one by one. But people in the town here want to do which one better, that's not reality. So when they listen to me, we are able to have money in the energy fund. And I was able to transmit electricity from Conakry all the way to Adman, I think now to Acholi. And I worked on a number of roads. Like the one from Murio, Anaka, Kochigoma, Mulu, Itu, Musingo. Acholi good here near you. So, because of the quality, we now have electricity. twisted all the way to Adran up to Abim. You have telephones. Everybody has got a telephone now. You find somebody picking my phone with a mobile phone. And she tells me, TM my phone, my bed. The phones are everywhere. Now, on the roads, we have been trying, because of the other quality, we move them, but then people come and divert money to other things. For instance, you had people striking. Teachers. If you don't give us money today, you shall not teach. But this is your family. We are struggling with the money for the roads, for the march. And we want salaries. Salaries were able to improve the salary of scientists to bring their fuel. And we need them now. For some of the work which is needed now at these roads, they need road engineers. I am someone of literature. But if you bring me to the road, I will not do it for you. So when we were in the bush, we didn't have enough food. We were always hungry. Now, if you are going to eat your food, you have to say who eats this eat your food. If you didn't need the commander because he's big in status, you say no. Without beauty. So that when the enemy comes, he fires and we wake up. It doesn't mean that it's the most important, but at that time, the one we need most, the one to alert us. But the one you're sending to reconnaissance to know where to attack next. Now, if we get, that's how we survive. By emphasizing what we needed at that time. And scaling down in the other field. We need them, yes, but not now. The one we need now is the soldier who's going to reconnoiter where we are going to attack. So, all of not equality, that's how we play on these roads. But I think now our people are learning from their mistakes. We listen to my quality. And we can do more of this work. So this road will be done. It's already in the program. The road from Bulu, Yoweri, Conakry. I know this road is myself. Now, the one who already come up to near Pranga from Masindi.
You are telling me that I want to see the port with the mobile check over.
Now we are going to go also Pranga to Acholi. But I appeal to even the population to accept the principle of quality, because that's how we can do things decisively instead of, because when you try to do it, I think they call it in law actually poor.
Yes,
when you do more, you know how you pronounce it. When you do more, you don't conclude anything. You touch here, like now. You have Poro from Benkulu, Apache, Alugu, Mira, Granda. You have Poro.
Yeah, I think I see the port, the bill of part, the bill of car, the one avenue, bill Lera, the Quran, the form, I think you will.
We have not even reached Acholi. We are stuck there now. We are looking for money now.
We get it all Quran, don't get him open. We get a year of tea, where the one Quran what you do.
But if I said salaries, please wait, salaries wait.
We don't want to hear. What is one way to look at my child or two?
And other projects wait.
Project you can't be wrong or two.
Let's first finish this.
We want to kill you in what you do. Come to you to watch on.
So even the population should not put pressure on the leaders to pour. Because they put here, then they go here, they go.
You know one work. Pero que presa matek to play from the there. You don't get before but they go out to
And the leaders also fear
to
advise the people simply this is not to do planning. We in the army, we are very good at that quality. That's how we're able to build new peace. Even today, I'm coming from the good barracks. My children are still staying in brass thatched houses in good barracks. I think I've seen them staying in brass thatched houses even in other areas. You see, we don't want permanent buildings. But you can't manage to afford all that. So what we do? Quality weapons. Weapons. Now that's how I have these eyes.
And you will community one.
You see everywhere in Uganda. With UAVs. When we were in the bush, we would emphasize the rifle and the bullet. Brothers, if you get them, you put them on. If you don't get them, you go with even somebody with top trousers can shoot you and you die. So, don't feel sorry for something. You are moving well, but we can move better if we prioritize. Then there is social infrastructure. Schools and health centers. The young What chairman briefed you when he was speaking here?
Chairman, Mama Fudan material, watching a woman in the time.
I'm glad to see this young chairman. There are so many everywhere in Uganda.
You want to be a chairman, not to be a man, get you to be way Uganda.
Wherever I go, I find them there now.
They could do it. I'm not here, where you know, we call me Papa to the way to material.
So, he told you the schools.
Watching the program one.
We shall continue expanding the schools.
And we made a girl school.
But also some little advice there.
This
whole fight is about to Agago. Everything is here.
RDC you gripping
Now, what I need to advise you,
the
government primary schools in Agago are 112.
This school primary magamente iloyo ya gaudi mia cheka parario.
Agago has got 117 parishes.
Agago tiki parishes mia cheka parario.
So, the schools are almost equal to the parishes.
This school don't chop global parishes.
But in the final year,
In Warapi,
the parishes with private schools
parishes not tiki primary school.
are only 42.
Here parishes piara one where Rio tiki school primary.
There are 75 parishes without.
Parishes mano piara pier we are big school primary.
Which means there are other parishes with more than one.
When you leave parishes who can take school but more macaroni.
So, distribution.
Mari don't give up the school.
Other districts I found the same.
They want you Gankar Madrid Manel or Muniminal kidney or
It is hot.
Why have you not insist on having one?
Just tell me to put it back if it is a must. I'm not doing that.
they want no one to go to your own. What is way from the school back? The men primary way.
The secondary schools happening in Agago are 9.
What in school missing here, but the men they are going well.
But I can see plans here,
It can have a plan, not the kind.
more schools,
School can have a name.
Lokole,
The college is becoming a school.
construction underway.
Don't be talk don't we get to the college since school.
Lapono
La since school.
is completed now.
Don't get your girl La since school.
Baltimore,
since school.
construction underway.
They take a girl refuge.
Wall, construction underway.
Wall since school, but they take a girl. Lamio since school.
Construction underway.
They take a girl.
Omia
Pachua.
construction underway.
They take a girl.
So we are continuing. But
We
I
don't care about it.
think in future be very strict.
Don't
Don't put more than one in one parish when the others don't have. Then on the health, is the same story. We have ethnicity health centers. The Agago has got 26 sub-counties. There is one health center for,
Center 40 at Shell.
and 12 health center cities.
Health center 3 are
So therefore, 13 sub-counties do not have any health facility of either health center 3 or health center 4 or a hospital.
Can look at the sub-counties are part of the prayer or the parliamentary home health center 3.
Now, this is what is planned.
And they don't give a clue that they are planning.
Upgrade Patongo Health Center 4 to a general hospital.
Immediately make home Patongo Health Center 4 to a district hospital.
Upgrade Paimor Health Center 3 in Agago Northern Uganda Health Center 4.
Immediately make home Paimor or the Health Center 3 to a Health Center 4.
Upgrade Alopo Health Center 2 in Aglan Sub-County Health Center 3.
Immediately upgrading Health Center Chill Care Dilang which are Health Center 4.
Upgrade Achuru Health Center 2 in Agago Sub-County Health Center 3.
Immediately make home Health Center Rio Matia Churu Matia Gale which are Health Center Mia there.
Upgrade Obolo Kome Health Center 2 in Agago Health Center 3.
Obolo Kome or the Health Center 2 immediately make home which are Health Center there.
This is in Agago.
The Agago sub-county.
The trading center here.
The Agago trading center, Mati Agago sub-county.
Upgrade Otumpili.
Immediately make home Otumpili.
Health Center 2 in Ajay Sub-County Health Center 3.
Mati Ajay sub-county then, which are Health Center 3.
Upgrade Gere.
Immediately home Gere Health Center 2.
Health Center 3 in Gere Sub-County.
Which are Health Center 3, Mati Gere sub-county.
Upgrade Kuyue. Health Center 2.
Immediately home Health Center 2.
In Kuyue Sub-County Health Center 3.
Mati Kuyue sub-county, which are home Health Center 3.
Upgrade Aniel Health Center 2 in Apono Health Center 3.
Immediately home or the Health Center 2 Mati Amiele in Apono sub-county, which are Health Center 3.
Upgrade Kokir Health Center 3 in Paimor.
Immediately home Health Center 2 to Health Center 3 Mati Paimor.
Upgrade Opadoko.
Immediately home or the Upadoro Health Center 2.
So, all these are the plans.
Which are Health Center 3 very plan for the material Agago.
This whole file is full of those.
This kind of beach everyone from Kilo Eluni, we are related.
Now that is social infrastructure.
When I young people man, the team and the team of the
And all together,
don't way.
they aren't done.
And only the team but in only don't.
But now, the NRM is always very clear.
The NRM, near Wayne, Game Team, Madame the Team at Lane.
Yesterday I was in Kittu.
The woman very good.
And there's a very nice tarmac road from Kittu now to Gulu and beyond.
The woman very good. Land in my bear, like people, my young Gulu.
So I asked the people there.
Everybody don't make it go.
At night,
Then it's the world.
you see on the tarmac road.
They won't go my land on the bully.
They always said to me, they said no, they don't sleep on the tarmac road.
They get one when you one give up a bully land.
They said we sleep
They put a get to a book where they go.
down.
They get a book down.
So that means we all go back to our area.
They cannot in the one way, but we don't gun one.
Now when you go back to Ghana,
Tell me we don't gun.
they try to left in the morning.
Tell me we don't gun to be good.
He's still waiting for you.
You know, they are good gun.
And it says upon below.
Tell me what in our foil go.
We are still here.
One girl for food to time.
You left us in the morning.
You wear one girl can to people.
We are here.
One fruit here.
We have been on the good tarmac road.
You will go working llama in your Malay.
We have been where there is electricity.
You will become
But we the Chan Pacho is still there. So that's why from the 1960s, we were very careful. You people, because many people are really wasting time. They come to tarmac roads, but Pacho is where I stay. I don't stay in the tarmac road. So what happens in my home, what is very, very decisive. The Yomabel, that's not important. But Pacho. So that's why you said you must add clearly another target. No.
And you know what you do, you make your team
Loyo is yours. And so is Chan. Dongo is ours. So this message in the 1960s was something long ago. That's why we disagree with some of these political parties. Some of the people listen to our messages. There are people for instance in Mundujo. Let's see what I have their recordings here.